another video. For today's look, we'll be using a wig that I received from Nadula Hair. You guys are really familiar with Nadula on my channel because I've worked with them a lot. They're actually one of the first companies that I've ever started working with, so we have a history. Like, it's been like 3+ years now, so I really fuck with them. They have great affordable quality. So yeah, today I'll be trying on another wig from them, and the wig that I'll be showing you guys today is a 13x4 lace front wig, 100% human hair. The color of this wig is lime green. You guys never see me with lime green hair. Shit, I've never seen me with lime green hair. Like, what? And it's a bob. It's 150% density, 8-inch. The wig does come pre-plugged, so yeah. This is their packaging. Really cute, sleek, and simple. Let's go ahead and open up this box. When you open up the box, this is what you will see. You will find a silk scarf in here. I think this is a scarf. Let me see. Oh, it's actually a bonnet. So cute. It's a cute little pink baby doll bonnet. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Yes, I love getting new bonnets. You guys know I love me a nice silk bonnet. So it also comes with a wig cap, your wig in a plastic bag, and that's pretty much everything that's in the box. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. Like I said, this is a 13x4 lace front wig, 150% density. I always get my bobs 150% because I feel like it's more natural looking, especially with like a color this bright. You don't want it to be too full because it's gonna look way too fake. So yeah, so this is what the wig looks like. She looks really good. I really love the way they cut this wig. As you guys can see, it's been cut so perfectly, and this color is really pretty. Look how natural this looks. It literally looks HD. On camera it looks kind of like white or like gray, but in person it's like a light, like a very nudish type of like color. As you guys can see, they pre-plugged the frontal, so it looks really good. This is about to be a bomb. I can already see it. I see the vision. This is about to look really natural, really pretty. This is what it looks like on the inside. As you guys can see, this lace is like really transparent, really see-through. Like, oh, this is gonna look really cute. It comes with combs on the inside, right here on the bottom, also adjustable straps. I believe that the cap size that I got is small. I always get small. This is really pretty, so let me go ahead and cut this lace off so I could try her on, because I'm really excited to see how she's gonna look. So this is what the wig looks like on currently, and as you guys can see, she doesn't look bad. Look how well this lace looks. Like, it looks so HD. It looks really natural. I ended up cutting a lot of lace off, which half of the time I don't really need the lace because I don't install my wigs. But if you're gonna install it, definitely, of course, keep it in there. But I ended up cutting a lot of my lace so it could be like, you know, more just me creating the baby hairs and customize it how I like it. But yeah, this is what it looks like on right now. The hair is really soft. I don't want to touch it too much because I'm gonna get makeup on it. But yeah, as you guys can see, this hair texture is really soft. It does have like a little swoop to it, but when I'm gonna like fix it, I want mine to be like really straight, just like blunt straight. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Like I said, this is a 13x4 lace front wig, 150% density. You guys see why I like 150%, because I feel like it looks more natural. If you was to get like a 180 or like a 200, it would be like crazy looking, really full. Your head would look really big. I'm petite. I needed to like match with my body type and all that, so this is perfect for me. This looks good. So yeah, this is different. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish up this look. I'm gonna clean it up. It's not really much that I need to be doing because I'm not installing a wig, so it's not going to take me long at all to style and fix this up. I'm just basically going to be blending it to my scalp, doing my baby hairs, clean it up. The wig is already nice and silky and straight, so it's not really, doesn't look crazy. It's not really a lot that I have to do to it. So yeah, I'm just going to be cleaning up, and that's going to be it. I really wish that I had done my makeup to match this look, because I didn't really think I was going to do the lime green today, so my makeup like doesn't match this look at all. but it should be fine, whatever. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish up this look. I will see you guys once I'm cute.
Yeah, they've got it. They've got it. They've got it. They've got it. They've got it.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys can see, the look came out really good. Like I told you guys, this lace is amazing. It looks super HD, super natural, and I barely did anything to it. Like, as soon as I applied the concealer on this lace, it literally disappeared. Like, disappeared. I really love the way it's looking. This color looks so good on me, as you guys can see. It looks really cute. I'm loving it. I would definitely recommend installing this wig if you got time, because I feel like it would look even more cuter if it was just like, you know, glued down and installed. It's not installed right now. This is literally just like gel. I'm trying to finish it how I can, but if you got time and you want to install it, definitely do that. But yeah, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, make sure you check out Nadula Hair. I will have their link down below, the link to the wig, the link to their store, and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.